as per the schedule, there. All right. We recognize the importance of a city and a town and what city and a town can do for its people and the tourists and other visitors who come to that city and town. And for that, particularly for Savusavu, let me talk about Savusavu. There are a couple of things which we are doing. One is developing the master plan. In my first visit, I think it was in the month of January I was here, or December, January. I had a stakeholder meeting with the ratepayers, and I did mention that we need to develop a master plan. And for the master plan, we are still talking to Singapore Corporation Enterprise to develop the master plan for Savusavu. We see that Savusavu has got a lot of potential, not only for the tourists but also local tourists who want to come and spend time in Savusavu. One thing we have also realized through our Vista stay in Savusavu, we've realized that visitors stay about 19.6 days in Savusavu, whereas the average stay for the whole of Fiji is just 9 days. So there is a potential to improve the yield. So we recognize that, and for that reason, the master plan we are targeting to be completed this year, if all goes well. And we've got Mr. Sharma with us as well. He's working on the urban design, the lights that we need, the benches that we require, etc., etc. So that's being done. Other changes that we intend to bring about is the way the towns and cities are operating. We would like to bring in more dynamism in the way the cities and towns are operating. We want to ensure that right people are recruited to do the job, who have a better understanding of the importance of cities and towns, and they're passionate about the work, they're motivated, and they have the drive to bring about that change. So you may have seen that the CEO positions were advertised, and then we have also advertised the special administrators that we want to recruit. It's going to be slightly different. In this case, we are looking for a team of special administrators, so it could be 5 or 6 of them, and these are all professionals. Professionals from the point of view that they have got experience in running a business. They can be a legal person, they can be an accountant, financial background, or they can be an engineer, anyone who has got those skills that they can contribute in the running of the cities and towns. And the team of administrators then will look after Savusavu and Lambasa, 2 municipalities. Over the years, the government has contributed quite a bit towards the development of cities and towns. Most of the projects that you see happening in various cities and towns is funded by the government. So we would like to have a very strong team within towns and cities so they can understand the importance of having an aesthetic appeal to a place and incorporating the unique features of a place so that one city or town looks different from the other.